what's good? It's Gurnaz. Welcome back to my channel. If you would like to know how I created this beautiful look inspired by the Disney princess Belle, then please continue watching. Okay, enough chit chat. Finally gonna start the makeup now. 1, 2. I'm gonna put it everywhere. As you can tell, it's Davinder Paji baithe ne. Please don't be offended if you know a person named Davinder in your life. That's the first name I thought of for my pimple.
Okay.
Going in with the Vasanthi Liquid VO2 color corrector. Y'all know the usual, just gonna color correct. I feel like I surprisingly have a lot of energy today. I was not expecting that. Ah! That went all over my pajama. Oh no, oh my god.
Oh my god!
Just gonna put some on the pimple. I want this pimple to go away. My skin has been, it's been a struggle. Taking the Fenty foundation in 290. Okay, why am I so weird? All these makeup people put their product in the back of their hands, and I mean that's probably nice, but मैंने खिंच चढ़ती है कि मैंने उठ के जाके फिर हाथ धोने पैंदे ने. Foundation done. Next step, concealer. Why did I talk like that? I think I'm gonna go ham with this concealer because I think I'm gonna film 2 looks today, not 1. I think photos vadiya aanagiyan meriyan if I do that. That is a lot, but we're gonna roll with it. Cream contouring, contouring with Honey 415, the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear Concealer. You guys have seen me use this for so long. I am really caking my face out here. I mean, if that's your thing, girl, you do it. I don't think it is mine. I'm gonna do that. I look like I just worked out, which I have not been. Yeah. I think the reason I'm doing so much makeup is because I haven't been putting on that much and I forgot how fun makeup was. Like, this is so fun. Taking my Anastasia contour kit and I'm just gonna go over everywhere that I contoured with a very light hand. Never mind. I lied. Now I'm taking the Wildlife Blush Duo from Vasanthi. Good enough. Moving on to brows, we got the Brow Stylist Definer from L'Oreal in soft black and the Maybelline Brow Fast in 262 black brown. If anybody cared. I don't know. This is to get that model brow. I don't think that bushy eyebrow suits me personally, but I think when you have your eyebrows all brushed up, it gives you a very clean look. Next up is highlight. Now I'm going to be using the Me's Beauty liquid highlight in Sunflower. I love this. It smells so good, like cotton candy, literally. It's so good. I've been using this for a few days and it is just beautiful. Use code Gurnaz to save some money off your first purchase. And I mean, they're a small business, so during this time we should definitely be supporting a lot of small businesses. And I'm just gonna dust the slightest bit of Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby just on the top highest parts of my cheekbones. Also, my battery's dying and I have really less space left on my SD card, so I'm gonna zoom through the rest of this tutorial. Y'all hear that? That was my tid. Man, I am hungry. So this is how the eyes are looking. I took a bunch of orangey brownie shades from the James Charles palette. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of gold. Adding a berry brown on the edge of my eye. Now I'm adding a bit of sparkle to the lids because, hello, we are a princess. Hey y'all, it's been a while. Kal jaake main Maggie khali and I had some Nestea and popped on the lashes. These are the Allure lashes by Manjot in Allure. I really like them. They're really feline. You know what I mean? Look at that. So I'm just brushing off this bake and I'll show you guys the jewelry that I have. It's like some random jewelry from India that I bought like years ago and I never wore it. So hopefully it will go with the look, and then we will complete the look with the lip color to match everything. So, oh no, is my head too big? Oh my god, my head is actually too big.
Wait a minute!
Straps of my shirt might be in the way. Oh no! This actually looks pretty nice. Oh my god. I think these are called Sahari, right? Like Sahara or something like that. So I think that's gonna be perfect with this look because I'm gonna do like the half up down thingy. And also the cute ja baby tikka. Very cute. Very sweet. Very sweet. Look at that. Oh, so cute. It's so small. Okay guys, I'm gonna go fix my hair and I'll be back. Guys, I'm back and the look is coming together. मेरे अंदर बहुत खुशी हो रही है because this is better than I expected. See, I was thinking about doing a red lip, but look nu dekh ke I'm feeling more pink vibes. Even though I always do pink, but I'm gonna take the Maybelline, obviously 125 Magnetic Mauve, and line my lips. Accidentally overlined my lips a little too much. Using the Vasanti matte crushed lipstick pencil in It's Your Mauve. My eyelash is coming off and it is annoying me. Is that more pinky? Sometimes I do this. I just mix a bunch of different lipsticks. Finishing touch is gloss in Creme Brulee from NYX in the center. I think I'm starting to like glossy lips because they're so much more comfortable to wear. Since the tikka is so small, I kind of want to add a bindi. And by the way, these are not real bindiyan. They're just stickers from Michaels. So life hack for you if you want some bindiya and you don't want to spend a lot of money. Oh, okay. There you go. Damn, that looks pretty cute. I'm getting like Tamil princess vibes. And although I may not look like Belle very much, but it still turned out pretty cute. I hope you enjoyed this Desi Disney recreation. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button. Follow me on TikTok and Instagram to see more content.